Hopefully it'll be a couple of songs tonight. I'm just getting over a cold. I didn't give it to Wendy. The first song is from a little-known Rogers and Hammerstein show called Allegro. It lasted about 6 months in New York and didn't come across the Atlantic and was never made into a film or anything. It's a nice little song, and it's called A Fellow Needs a Girl. A fellow needs a girl to sit by his side at the end of a weary day, to sit by his side and listen to him talk and agree with the things he'll say. A fellow needs a girl to hold in his arms when the rest of the world goes wrong, to hold in his arms and know that she believes that her fellow is wise and strong. When things go right and his job's well done, he wants to share the prize he's won. If no one shares and no one cares, where's the fun of a job well done? What a prize you've won. A fellow needs a home, his own kind of home, and to make this dream come true, a fellow needs a girl, his own kind of girl. My kind of girl is you. He must be American. He thinks he can find a girl who will agree with him. I suppose fellas need a girl. Maybe girls need fellas, I don't know. But anyway, that brings me on to the next song. Down in Lee, which is a suburb of Ilfracombe, there is a self-catering cottage, about £600 a week. Beautiful little picture postcard, built in the, I suppose, 18th century. And the great lyricist Fred Weatherly and his friend Joseph Roeckel wrote a song telling the story of 3 sisters who lived in that house. It's called Bird in Hand. There were 3 young maids of Lee. They were fair as fair can be, and they had lovers 3 times 3, for they were fair as fair can be, those 3 young maids of Lee. But these young maids, they cannot find a lover each to suit their mind. The rich young lord, the rich young lord is not rich enough, and one is too poor and one too tall, and one just an inch too short for them all. Others pick and choose, then why not we? We can very well wait, said the maids of Lee. There were 3 young maids of Lee. They were fair as fair can be, and they had lovers 3 times 3, for they were fair as fair can be, those 3 young maids of Lee. There are 3 old maids at Lee. They are old as old can be, and one is deaf and one cannot see, and they all are cross as a gallows tree, those 3 old maids of Lee. Now if anyone chance 'Tis a chance remote, one single charm in these maids to note. He need not a poet or handsome be, for one is deaf and one cannot see. He need not woo on his bended knee, for they all are willing as willing can be. He may take